Ever pondered over what's in your skincare products? It's an intriguing question, isn't it? We slather these creams, lotions, and potions on our skin, the largest organ of our body, but how often do we stop to consider what's in them? Most commercial skincare products are chock full of synthetic ingredients and chemicals that can be harsh and potentially harmful to our skin and overall health. We have the right to know what we're putting on our skin and how it might impact us. That's why it's crucial to understand the ingredients in our skincare products. Now imagine a skincare routine where you have complete control over what goes on your skin. Picture a world where you know each ingredient's purpose and benefits, and you can customize your products to cater to your skin's unique needs. This isn't a far-off fantasy. It's the world of DIY natural skincare. DIY natural skincare involves using pure, natural ingredients to create skincare products right in your own kitchen. It's a journey of rediscovery, taking us back to a time when skincare was simple and derived from the earth. It's about harnessing the power of nature to nourish, heal, and beautify our skin. The benefits of natural ingredients are vast. They're packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that promote healthy, radiant skin. They're gentle, safe, and free from harmful chemicals. And the best part? They're incredibly effective. From soothing aloe vera to exfoliating coffee grinds, from hydrating honey to brightening lemon juice, Mother Nature has provided us with a treasure trove of incredible skincare ingredients. As we delve deeper into DIY natural skincare, we'll explore these ingredients, learn how to use them, and share recipes for homemade face masks, scrubs, and moisturizers. You'll learn how to customize these products to your skin type and concerns, helping you to create a skincare routine that truly works for you. Dive into the world of DIY natural skincare with us today and unveil the secret to radiant skin. Because beautiful skin isn't just about what you put on it, it's also about what you put in it. And with DIY natural skincare, you have the power to choose both. Why should you care about natural ingredients in skincare? You may ask. Well, let's delve into the multitude of reasons why going natural is the way forward. Firstly, natural ingredients are free from harmful chemicals. While synthetic ingredients can sometimes cause adverse reactions, natural ones are often gentle and soothing, making them a safe bet for those with sensitive skin. Secondly, they're environmentally friendly. Unlike synthetic ingredients which can have a harmful impact on our ecosystem when washed off, natural ones are biodegradable and cause minimal environmental damage. Thirdly, natural ingredients can be surprisingly cost-effective. Many are readily available in your kitchen, such as honey, oats, or avocado, eliminating the need to spend on expensive store-bought products. And let's not forget the satisfaction of concocting your own skincare solutions, knowing exactly what you're applying on your skin. Natural ingredients are not only skin-friendly, but also a boon to our environment and pocket. So why not give it a try? Ready to whip up your own face mask? Let's dive right into it. One of the easiest and most effective face masks to make at home involves just 3 ingredients: honey, oatmeal, and avocado. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture into the skin. Oatmeal, on the other hand, is an excellent exfoliant and also has anti-inflammatory properties which can help soothe sensitive skin. And avocado? It's a powerhouse of vitamins and healthy fats that nourish and hydrate the skin. To make this mask, simply blend half an avocado with a tablespoon of honey and 2 tablespoons of finely ground oatmeal until you have a smooth paste. Apply it to your face, let it sit for about 15 minutes, then gently rinse it off with warm water. But what if you have oily skin? No problem. You can customize this mask by adding a splash of lemon juice. Lemon has natural astringent properties that can help tighten pores and reduce excess oil. For those with dry skin, try adding a splash of olive oil. This golden liquid is rich in antioxidants and has excellent moisturizing properties. And for those who are dealing with acne, a bit of tea tree oil can be a game changer. This natural antiseptic can help reduce inflammation and fight off acne-causing bacteria. So you see, creating your own face masks at home is not only fun, but also allows you to tailor your skincare to your specific needs. Just remember, always do a patch test first to ensure your skin doesn't react negatively to any of these ingredients. With these face mask recipes, you're well on your way to a healthier and glowing complexion. Stay tuned as we examine more natural skincare tips. Want to exfoliate and hydrate your skin naturally? Well, today, we're diving into the world of DIY scrubs and moisturizers that can help you achieve that dreamy, dewy glow right at home. Let's start with a simple yet effective sugar scrub. Combine equal parts of granulated sugar and coconut oil in a bowl. The sugar acts as a natural exfoliant, removing dead skin cells, while the coconut oil moisturizes and softens your skin. This scrub is especially great for dry or flaky skin. Next, we have a reviving coffee scrub, perfect for oily or acne-prone skin. Combine ground coffee with a little bit of water until it forms a thick paste. The caffeine in the coffee can help reduce inflammation and redness, and the coarse texture can help unclog pores. Just be sure not to press too hard when applying, as you don't want to irritate your skin. Now let's move on to moisturizers. A basic and nourishing DIY moisturizer you can whip up is aloe vera and coconut oil. Combine 2 parts aloe vera gel with 1 part coconut oil. Aloe vera soothes and repairs the skin, while coconut oil locks in moisture. Remember, these recipes are just starting points. Feel free to play around with the ratios and ingredients to suit your skin's specific needs. If your skin is sensitive, you might want to use less of the exfoliating ingredient. If it's particularly dry, add more moisturizing elements. It's all about finding what works best for your unique skin. Also, always do a patch test before applying these DIY skincare products to your entire face. Apply a small amount to your wrist or the inside of your elbow, and wait for 24 hours to see if any irritation occurs. And there you have it, natural homemade scrubs and moisturizers that can leave your skin feeling refreshed, revitalized, and oh so soft. With these easy recipes, you're well on your way to a more natural, personalized skincare routine. Say goodbye to dull skin and hello to a fresh, moisturized complexion with these DIY scrubs and moisturizers. How about creating your own natural skincare routine? Let's dive right in. The beauty of building your own skincare routine is that it's fully customizable. You can tweak and adjust the ingredients based on your skin's needs. But how often should you use these DIY products and in what order? Begin with a cleanser. You want to start with a clean canvas. Use your homemade cleanser every morning and night to remove dirt and impurities. For those with oily skin, a cleanser with citrus ingredients can help control excess oil. If your skin is dry, a creamy cleanser with nourishing oils can be beneficial. Next, use a toner. Toners balance your skin's pH levels and prepare it for the next steps. Apply your DIY toner after cleansing once in the morning and once at night. Those with sensitive skin might prefer a cucumber or aloe vera toner, while rose water can be soothing for all skin types. Twice a week, treat your skin with a face mask. These are like mini spa sessions for your skin. Depending on your skin concerns, you can choose from a variety of masks. For example, a honey and turmeric mask can help with acne, while an avocado mask can provide intense hydration. Exfoliating should be done once or twice a week, depending on your skin type. If your skin is sensitive, once a week is enough. Use your homemade scrub to gently remove dead skin cells and reveal a brighter complexion. Lastly, always moisturize. No matter your skin type, hydration is key. Use your DIY moisturizer every morning and night. Aloe vera-based moisturizers can be great for oily skin, while those with dry skin might prefer a shea butter blend. Remember, your skin may need time to adjust to your new routine. Be patient, and remember that everyone's skin is different. What works for one person might not work for another. With your own natural skincare routine, achieving healthy, glowing skin is in your hands. Ready to embrace the natural skincare revolution? Let's recap the journey we've been on together. We've explored the incredible benefits of natural ingredients, how they nourish, protect, and heal our skin without the harsh effects of chemicals. We've ventured into the kitchen, creating our own DIY face masks, scrubs, and moisturizers. From the rejuvenating oatmeal and honey mask to the invigorating coffee scrub and the hydrating avocado moisturizer, we've seen how easy it is to whip up these skin-loving treats. And we've learned how to build a skincare routine with these homemade products, tailoring them to our unique skin types and concerns. Whether you're battling dryness, oiliness, or just want to maintain that youthful glow, there's a natural solution waiting for you. So what are you waiting for? Embrace the power of natural ingredients and revel in the glow of healthy skin. Remember, beautiful skin begins with exceptional skincare. We hope you enjoyed our journey into the world of DIY natural skincare. Now it's your turn to explore. Why not try making some of these natural skincare products at home? We'd love to hear about your experiences. Did you discover a new favorite ingredient or concoct a fantastic face mask? Share your stories in the comments section below. We're all about healthy living here, and there's so much more to discover. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a like. And why not share this video with your friends and family? They might be looking for natural skincare solutions too. Remember, the journey to beautiful skin is always more fun when shared. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Until next time, stay natural, stay beautiful.